Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In this episode, let's look at this interesting trigonometry question that I came across while working with my students in our trigonometry batch. The question is simple, it's picked up from Cengage book. Sine of theta minus alpha by sine of theta minus beta is a by b. Same way, cos of theta minus alpha by cos of theta minus beta is c by d. They have asked us what the value of AC plus BD by AD plus BC is. Pause this video for a couple of minutes, try solving it yourself, and then come back to me for the solution. Alright, so this question can be solved using one simple thing of computendo and dividendo. But for us to be able to apply that, we have to first get the AC BD term, AD BC term. So if I treat this as expression 1 and expression 2, by simply doing 1 into 2, I have sine of theta minus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha by sine of theta minus beta into cos of theta minus beta is equal to AC by BD. Right? Let's simplify the expression and say theta minus alpha is some A and theta minus beta is some B. This is the substitution I'm going to use. Now, I can write, because of the ratio property, sin A cos A plus sin B cos B by sin B cos B is AC plus BD by BD, and let me call this as equation A. Now, if I do, I need AD, right? So if I do 1 by 2 now, that is if I take the reciprocal of 2 and I multiply it with 1. So if I'm going to do 1 into 1 by 2, what I'm going to get is sin A cos B by sin B cos A is equal to AD by BC, and again by the ratio property I have sin A cos B plus sin B cos A by sin B cos A is equal to AD plus BC by BC, and let me call this expression B. So far all good? Amazing. Now, once this is clear to us, we need AC plus BD by AD plus BC, which I will get by simply doing expression A by B. So, my RHS in that expression is going to be my required term AC plus BD by AD plus BC into BC by BD. BC by BD, right? Because this term is not going to get cancelled. This is equal to sin A cos A plus sin B cos B is equal to sin A cos A plus sin B cos B divided by sin A cos B plus sin B cos A, sin A cos B plus cos B sin A into sin B cos A, sin B cos B. Sin B cos A, sin B cos B. This is what I get when I do A by B. Now, B and B cancel and sin B cancel. C by D we know is cos A by cos B. So, cos A by cos B cancel with. So, I have AC plus BD by AD plus BC equal to this expression. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this entire thing with 2 and divide by 2. So, I have 1 by 2 sine 2a plus sine 2b divided by sine of a plus b. So far good, and that's the solution, because after this I have to apply the formula of sine c plus sine d, which I will write it as half into 2 cos a minus b into sine a plus b by sine a plus b. Sine a plus b, sine a plus b cancel, and I have answer as cos of a minus b. Now when I plug a and b as theta minus alpha, I will get this as cos of beta minus alpha, which is equal to cos of alpha minus beta, because cos theta is cos of minus theta, and hence our answer is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our content, do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.